Partner, isa sa statistic na dapat siguro natin bagitin, pahabol natin sa ating analysis, is in the free throw department. Kasi nakita natin, pantay sila in terms of field goal conversions.
Yes.
Pero partner, nagkakatalo sa free throws. 0 out of 4 ang Red
yan.
Bull
Oo.
at ang Ginebra, 5 out of 6 for 83%. So that's a 5-point advantage ng Ginebra sa free throws. Kanya namang 5 points ang lamang nila.
There's a foul laban kay Baldavid on a jump shot by Jimwell Torion. Second foul on the flash. And once again, happy to have you with us, Philippines. Magandang gabi po sa ating mga kababayan sa lalawigan ng Rizal, lalong-lalo na sa Binangonan, ang ating mga kaibigan. Yan sa Binangonan ng Mohe family, si Irene. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Bayan ng Superstars.
Ito si Jimwell Torion, partner, in that accident that we mentioned in the pre-game. Balita natin is that he had major reconstructive surgery on his face. At lucky for him that none of his limbs were affected. Oo.
Makikita mo meron pang konting parang natitira dun sa kanyang operasyon na yun. The marks on his face.
Oh, but it's good to see him back in action, partner. He is such an exciting and colorful point guard. Kita mo naman ang kanyang depensa. Pinahihirapan niya si Baldavid.
He will be a name that a lot of Filipinos will be talking about. Limpot gets away here and there's going to be a foul as he drew that one laban kay Kirby Raimundo.
At sinasabi ni Jim Limpot, act of shooting yun. Sinasabi naman ng Red Bull, traveling violation.
Si Alan Kaidig nakatindig. Head coach ng Barangay Ginebra, he has retired as a player. He is a full-time head coach now and I understand that his jersey will be retired by the PBA as well.
Well, definitely the trigger man has spawned a legend.
Ay, naku.
In his PBA stint. And yung open shot galing kay Elmer Lago. And yes, bumukol si Elmer Lago, partner. He's saying he deserved the renegotiated contract he got up to the year 2001 yata yun.
Most improved player last year, of course,
Yes.
Elmer Lago had his three-point shooting numbers up there among the top 3. Kirby Raimundo, keyhole jumper, malakas. Napunta ang bola. Ato Agustin, yes, dead shot. Especially pag wala pang taong bumabantayan. Red Bull is down by 4.
Alam mo, partner, kulang sa hustle yata itong Barangay Ginebra. In that situation, pinabayaan nila that ball to go into the hands of Ato Agustin. Wala man lang lumundag to get the possible defensive rebound.
35-31. At si Torion nag-somersault on the floor and yet he will pick up the foul laban kay Flash David. That will be the first foul on Jimwell Torion.
Alam mo, partner, very similar situation happened to Baldavid and Chris Bolado kanina. No?
Yes.
Pero si Bolado ang natawagan ng foul. At palagay ko, those are part of the rookie pains that Coach Yeng Guiao must undergo.
5 seconds sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. Libre si Limpot. Yes! He can shoot it from the outside. And the main man now with a total of 12 points to lead all scorers in this basketball game. Abante ang Barangay Ginebra ng 6, 37-31. Time remaining, 9:36. Third quarter. Devon Harp with a left hand. Missing that one. Offensive rebound. Nakuha ni Edmond Reyes who's in the ballgame for the first time. Now with the right hand.
And si Crisano will pick up another foul. Partner, kitang-kita natin ito si Harp. He's really attacking Crisano's defense. Wants to take him out of the game.
Bad news para sa Barangay Ginebra. And Harp will go to the free throw line. Although si Harp has not been very effective muna sa 4.5 meter line. Kagaya kanina nakita natin and he had an air ball in his second free throw kanina. Let's see if he will improve his number. 6 points in the first half. Shot 75% from the field, but nothing from the line. Tapos na naman.
Alam mo, partner, ang nangyayari dito kay Devon Harp, he does not give enough arm push for his shot. He's relying almost completely on his wrist. Okay naman to have a good wrist action. But partner, you have to have some power in throwing up that shot.
So parang hindi, ginend niya yung kanyang knees now with the...
Tapos na naman. You have to have a little arm work to push that ball through.
And look at him, covering his face with his jersey.
2 air balls.
Devon Harp, 3 air balls already in this game.
Oo.
Well, Yeng Guiao knows what he will be doing tomorrow. 150 free throws tomorrow. 9:16 sa ating third quarter. Abante po ang Ginebra ng 6, 37-31. Here's Meneses. One-on-one play, laban kay Edmond Reyes. He gets away! Oy!
Pamontik na.
Woo! Doing the reverse. Yung Pectus medyo kulang lang eh.
Alam mo, partner, ang ginagawa nitong Vergel Meneses, he's attacking the heart of the Red Bull defense. He's breaking down that defense. Not only for himself, partner, but if he feels that if the defense can concentrate on him, then he'll have more opportunities to pass off and kick out.
Yes. Elsie Agustin ang pumulot ng foul laban kay Vergel Meneses, although si Edmond Reyes ang bumabantay kay Meneses. Sablay ang unang free throw ni Vergel Meneses. Also a pride of Malolos, Bulacan. Meneses, who played for the Jose Rizal Heavy Bombers back in his time, was a King Bomber. Missing both. Unusual yan para kay Ariel Voyager.
Kanya tabla na sila ni Devon Harp. Ano?
Oo, yun lang yung kanya. In and out. Yung kay Harp, out and out. Bad pass. That's a wild pass. Way up there for even for Kirby Raimundo. And again, the turnovers, Kinito, plaguing this Batang Red Bull team, showing na talagang batang-bata pa sila.
Partner, but this is a team that I think can quickly mature, not slowly mature, but quickly mature because of the presence of the veterans.
Uy, nice steal by Torion.
Maganda to.
Torion is away. He will go for the basket. And Jimwell Torion showing lightning quick moves. Doon sa pagkakataon na yun.
Ito ang sinasabi natin dito si Torion, partner. You cannot sell him short. He's got wings on his feet. At ito si Baldavid must be careful and he's going to be called for the offensive foul. He was burned once, partner. Ito si Baldavid. Very pesky ang defense nitong Torion, partner.
Yes. At saka sa sobrang kakulit, tinawagan ng panlimang foul si Alex Rizano. Watch this steal first by Jimwell Torion. And even in slow-mo, he looks like he's in fast motion. Jimwell Torion out-racing Baldavid. And what a play.
Ito naman, nakakuha ng steal ito si Crisano. Panlima na ba yun ni Crisano?
Panglima na.
So check that, no? Akala ko kanina, foul on Baldavid.
Nanganganib na si Alex Crisano, but he still remains in the game. Limpot gets away again, and Jun Limpot just making mincemeat out of the defense being thrown at him by Kirby Raimundo. 14 na puntos na ang pride of Surigao, Jun Limpot.
Well, you notice, partner, itong Barangay Ginebra is establishing its inside game. No? They're penetrating, they're scoring on layups. They're not taking...
Knocks it off. Short snap. Wala. Crisano with a rebound. Big one. Ani mga bante ng Barangay Ginebra.
Sabi siguro ni Crisano, malapit ako mag-graduate. Dapat naman, pakita ko dito.
Ayan, inirecall si Will Merong na sana ipapalit kay Alex Crisano. 7.5 remaining sa third quarter. Muli po kami natutuwang makasama kayo. Lusot si Meneses pero may foul. Bago doon sa kanyang pag-layup, Edmond Reyes maaaring tawagan ng foul dito. That'll be the first foul on Edmond Reyes, but more importantly, that's already the 13th foul of Batang Red Bull with still 7:27 remaining sa third quarter. Again, at the end of the game, we'll name a Super Fulcasil Tackle King as well as our best player, Samantala Jun Limpot, showing well that he deserves every penny that he's being paid.
At partner, ang nangyayari dito is that, as I was saying, no, Ginebra is taking those layups. They're attacking the basket. Walang masyadong double team ang Batang Red Bull. Kanya yung mga veterano ng Barangay Ginebra having a heyday attacking that basket.
Raimundo, libre ng bahagya. Kumalog ang tira. Bola natapik ni Crisano, napunta kay David. Tuloy kay Lago. Abante si Meneses.
Ito yung hustle ng Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, he's away!
Oh, yes!
Oh, yes, sir! Woo!
Ito na. Nagpapakita na si Vergel Meneses.
Ang sarap ng galaw mo, kid. .31 remaining in this basketball game, the third quarter, and may foul on that layup by Devon Harp, plus a foul. And that will bring back some sense of order para sa Batang Red Bull. They needed that one dahil tinatambakan na sila ng Ginebra ng 10 kanina, Kinito.
Ito si Crisano, foul down.
Sos Mariosep.
Mali yata ang ginawa ni Crisano, partner. If he's gonna give up the foul, which is the 6th foul, dapat naman siguro, he should have made sure na hindi pumasok yung basket ni Harp. Pumasok yung basket, meron pa 3-point play opportunity for Devon Harp.
What a debut for Alex Crisano. Hindi man lang tumagal yung kanyang maglaro. 6.5 pa.
Ito na yung free throw ni Devon Harp. Again, another miss.
Nilakasan na niya lang pero tabingin naman yung tira.
Partner, kanina napansin natin yung mga tira ng Barangay Ginebra, halos lahat layup. They're going 5 out of 5 from the field in this quarter so far. 4 layups
A near
and 1
steal.
long shot.
Well, that's the reason why they're shooting very well. Lusot si Jun Limpot and there's another foul. This one will go against Ato Agustin. Yun ito, napuna mo kanina yung hindi pag-double team ng Batang Red Bull at mukhang yun ang ginagamit ng Barangay Ginebra. Hindi naman kasalanan din ng Batang Red Bull because Ginebra has been moving well without the ball, yung kanilang mga players without the ball, and they've been able to find a lot of their open teammates on the floor.
O palagay ko, for Coach Yang Giao, no, this is something of an experiment for him, no, because it's very hard when you're coaching a new team, especially when you have to control their defense. No? Yung double team takes a lot of work, takes a lot of gelling, takes a lot of good chemistry.
Yes.
Because once you double team, you have to know when to rotate. If you're a new team, mahihirapan ka siguro mag-double team because yung galaw ng mga player on the defense, no? Especially in the rotation, yun ay dapat pag-aralan pa and sanayan yun eh.
Balik sa 10 ang abante. Ang pasa nito yon intended for Raimundo. Fast break ni Vergel Meneses. Time down to 5:40 in the third quarter. Ooh, off-balance shot and all. Elmer Lago getting another basket. At alam mo, ngayon kinito ang Barangay Ginebra is just shooting like there's no tomorrow.
Partner, hindi pa nga sila nagmimintis dito, no, from the field in the third quarter. And yes, they're scoring layups. Now they're also scoring from the outside. Baby Raimundo, magpapakamatay na itong bata na to.
Yan ang kailangan nila.
Yes.
Konting intensity pa no? Parang yung mga bata naiilang sila na makipagpanggaan dito sa mga veterano eh.
Partner, I think this team now is struggling defensively, no? As far as offense is concerned, darating at darating din yan. But
Yes.
they've got to know how each other moves sa depensa, no? So that they can cover all the grounds.
And again, Coach Yang Giao said, ang gusto ko lamang ay maging decent yung aming performance. Decent meaning, matatakot sa amin, may pahihirapan kami.
Oh, without a doubt, partner, sa pinakita ng Red Bull at this stage of the game, maraming pahihirapan ito. Including itong Barangay Ginebra, this game is far from over.
Corion, however, throwing a wild shot, a forced one. Less than 5 minutes remaining sa third quarter. 12 po ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra. The biggest advantage so far. Antulis, laban kay Tanpua. Here's Limpot up against Kirby Raimundo. Kicks it out. 3-point shot. Pumatak sa linya. And again, Elmer Lago swooshing the net. And it's now a 14-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Lago with 8 points. No, 7 points in the game. Lahat nakuha niya dito sa third quarter. 4:25 remaining. Harp kicks it out. Agustin faking. Now goes up. Short. Rebound. Fresh 24. Junkie Valenzuela. Dinalik kay Kirby Raimundo. Humihingi ng isolation. Maliit ang tao niya. Ano? Si Limpot pala. Goes up. And finally, yan ang kailangan. He has not taken too many attempts. In fact, in the first half, Raimundo only took 2 attempts. Inito, 1 out of 2.
At may tira to, ha? Kirby Raimundo. That's a veteran move from a 19-year-old rookie.
The youngest to play in the PBA since Nick Bulao played for the Toyota Tamaraws at 18 years old.
Ito na naman si Elmer Lago. That's the first miss of Barangay Ginebra in this quarter. So now they're 7 out of 8 sa quarter na to.
A loose ball foul. Laban kay Kirby Raimundo. That'll be number 3 now at the 3:39 mark of the third quarter. Alex Crisano is already fouled out para sa Barangay Ginebra. Third quarter pa lamang, yes, nag-foul out na po ang isang player. The rookie from Barangay Ginebra. Now, Wilmerong will have to play major minutes now. Ngayon na nawala na si Alex Crisano.
Wilmer Rong from Lasal Bacolod, partner. Ito ang sinasabi natin, one of only 2 players from the 1997 Commissioner's Cup Championship.
Augustin,
Na
tinirasan niya ito. And they used to be teammates last year sa Santa Lucia, and Limpot just smiled away that particular shot.
Napangiti na lang si Jun Limpot kasi napahiya din siya,
Napahiya din
because
siya.
of that shot coming from Ato Agustin.
Dating magkakampi, 16-point lead para sa Barangay Ginebra. Narito si Limpot, dinoble team na ngayon. Inilipas niya kay Meneses from Rainbow Territory. Wala. Rebound na naman ni Kirby Raimundo. Or rather ni Valenzuela.
Batang Red Bull trying to pick up the pace.
Valenzuela faking. 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Less than a minute remaining in the third. Now he will take the shot. Short. Rebound ni Raimundo. He will go inside. He bangs in. Yes, that's the way to do it. You just gotta bang away. Alam mo, itong mga batang ito, kailangan talaga matuto sila na dito sa PBA, hindi po pwede yung pipitsugin.
Alam mo, partner, maganda ang pinakita ni Raimundo that time. Grabbing the ball, fighting off the defense, and
Oh, a steal here by Valenzuela. 3-on-2 fast break. Ando sila Agustin, but a bad pass. Telegraphed. 17 seconds remaining. So
ito
third
again,
quarter.
a rookie mistake on the part of Batang Red Bull, partner, no? Giving Barangay Ginebra a chance to score the last basket sa ating third quarter.
7 seconds to shoot. And there's a foul given up by Glenn Capasio.
Ako, masakit yun.
Nasa penalty na sila.
Oo, masakit yun because 6.2 seconds na lamang, nasa penalty. And of course, the positive thing to say is that at least Red Bull will get back the ball.
Ito kanina nangyari kinito, yung sinasabi mong rebound, then a strong move. Yan ang sinasabi ni Coach Yeng Yao. This kid has the ability and the strength to go inside laban sa mga malalakas na PBA.
Alam mo, partner, he's showing a lot of veteran moves. For a 19-year-old boy, sa tingin ko, ang potential niya unlimited.
Unlimited
Kirby
indeed.
Raimundo, what a player, what a find for Batang Red Bull. Kanya naman tinatawag si Kirby Raimundo ang cornerstone ng franchise natin. No? Itong sinasabi natin, Batang Red Bull now will have a chance to score.
4 seconds remaining. Agustin looking at the scoreboard. A foul, did not get it. And so far, maraming kailangan gawin dito sa final quarter, including rebounding, and that's what they did in that particular play, although he invested in the defense.
So he'd rather take the ball from outside, moving in.
Oh, yes, sir. Niyuko Anat huli, pero naipasok pa rin ni Vergel Meneses at kinakausap niya si Glenn Capasio. Sabi niya, mukhang mahirap yatang pigilin ako ngayong araw na to. Alam mo, one of the things we talked about is this matchup. Jimuel Torion laban kay Baldavid, and this is a rarity. Agawan ang The Flash ng isa pang mabilis. Jimuel Torion just taking the ball away and taking it straight to the hole.
Alam mo, partner, hinabol yan ni trying to double team Vergel Meneses, Capasio at saka si Agustin. Ang problema niyan, if they double team Agustin and he passes off, sino magro-rotate? Kundi yung mga pagito.
Yes.
And yung palagay ko, isang problema ng Batang Red Bull because the rotation has to come from a rookie and they have a difficult time getting familiar with the rotation and the movement in defense dito sa PBA.
Well, that time, sa depensa nila nakuha yung turnover na yon. A good steal. Swipe coming from Junti Valenzuela to cut down the lead somewhat to 15.
Alam mo, partner, palagay ko ito si Vergel Meneses na challenge sa depensa ni Glenn Capasio.
Maaari, ito na naman, muntik na mamaagaw.
Pinabayaan na lang ni Elmer Lago.
5 saglit sa shot clock ng Barangay Ginebra. Still a lot of time here, 8:46 in the fourth quarter. This is just a 15-point lead. At kaya naman si Alan Kaydik, hindi pwedeng pabayaan.
Scoreboard is 9 million pesos. It's the biggest scoreboard sa ating bansa.
Maraming pesos yun, ha? Sa medala ito, maraming puntos na. Si Jun Limpon and Meneses egging on the Barangay Ginebra crowd to continue to cheer the main man who has 22 points already in this ball game. Balik sa 17 ang abante. Lusot si Bulado ba? Nakakaapat na si Chris Bulado, and that's what we were talking about. Parang kulang sa low post presence itong Batang Red Bull, and they're beginning to attack that now.
Partner, maganda yung high-low play na ginagawa ng Batang Red Bull. No? Devon Harp playing the high post. Tapos naman ito si Chris Bulado getting the ball inside and scoring. Ito yung outside shot.
Pinabayaan na naman ni Valenzuela yun eh. He was double teaming on David, and Lago just had all day. Harp. Capasio. Aba, Bulado, sa loob ko na lang. Agustin ang tumira sa labas. He has the license to shoot. Pero they need defense.
That's right. Kung exchange of firepower ang makikita natin dito, talagang lamang-dalamang na ang Barangay Ginebra because of his sizable lead. Red Bull needs to play defense, needs to make some defensive stops.
Another
Si Lago,
one and may foul pa. Another rainbow shot. That was from way downtown.
alam mo partner, iba na talaga kung nag-iinit. Ito si Elmer Lago. When he's hot, he knows he's hot and his teammates look for him.
He has three-point shots. This curling off a screen, maybe one of the best since Alan Kaydik. No dribble, releasing with a perfect stroke, and Elmer Lago swooshing the net. May kasama pang foul.
Oo.
4-point play coming up. Yes, sir.
Ang firepower potential nitong Barangay Ginebra is awesome, partner.
Ay, nako.
Eh kung mainit ito si Lago, tapos nandyan si Vergel Meneses, nandyan din ito si Jun Limpot. Yun ang sinasabi natin na triangle. You add in Baldavid with his penetration in his outside shooting. My gosh.
Yung binanggit mong yun, yun ang major contributors to this lead. David has 7 points. Meneses is 17. Lago has 14, all made in the second half. And Limpot has a game-long brilliance of 22 points in the game. And that has been practically the entire scoring ng Barangay Ginebra today.
Alam mo, partner, what we notice also is that hindi masyadong pagod ang mga player ng Ginebra because of the constant shuffling, yung pacing ng mga tao, no? And I think that is an observation we have to make in tribute to Coach Alan Kaydik.
Oh, yes.
Tsaka yung kanyang mga assistants, no? Chris Kalilan,
Rino
tsaka si
Salazar.
Rino Salazar, and of course yung coaching consultant nila si Ron Jacobs. And palagay ko, pwede na natin sabihin, welcome back Ron Jacobs to the bench dito sa PBA.
Legitimate. Another rainbow shot, pero wala. This is a 20-point lead para sa Barangay. He will go back to the line. If only he can convert his free throws. He has missed 7 today, 0 out of 7. Samantala tatanggap ng ikatlong foul si Baldavid on that layup by Devon Hart.
And again, the cardinal sin dito, no, for Devon Hart. You do not allow him to score on a layup. Make him earn his points from the line.
And again, Junito, he likes the left hand. He likes taking his shot with his left hand. In the meantime, there's going to be one more free throw to be given to Harp. Masyadong nagkaroon ng lane violation. Dito dice the guilty party.
So, kasi alam ng Barangay Ginebra, magmimintis ka na. Na-anticipate na nila yung mintis na yun.
Kirby Raimundo continues to sit on the bench here. And Devon Harp, another free throw. He is 0 out of 7 today. Take away one. And
Yes!
finally, 1 out of 8. That should bring up a little bit of his confidence
Oo.
from the line.
Naawa din yung bola, partner.
Maganda yung linya nun, maganda yung stroke. 17-point lead pa rin, however, para sa Barangay Ginebra. 6.5 remaining in the final quarter of what has been an auspicious debut for the PBA 2000. There's going to be a foul as David and Torion are entangled
Alam mo,
on the floor.
partner, sa tingin ko, nagkakainitan yung itong dalawa. I think Baldavid was embarrassed by Torion earlier when the ball was stolen from him, tapos naka-score ito si Torion. Eto, panurin natin itong replay natin.
Aagawan sana uli ni Torion,
One-on-one action.
pero inihila niya.
Hinila niya. Oh, naku. Pagsak yung dalawa. Napaupo yung dalawa. Naku, yun.
Yun, binaksakan pa niya para maramdaman niya kung ano yung PBA.
Eh,
Ito na naman ang gagawin ni Torion! Torion laban kay David, umangat! Oh, yes, sir!
And
Oh my God!
that time, hinabol ni Baldavid, partner, but he was not able to give him enough room, partner, to miss the shot. Kanya, eto si Torion was able to get off the shot. 3-point play opportunity. Nako.
Kinito, Torion is embarrassing Baldavid here.
Ito sinasabi natin kanina. This
Ano mo?
could be the future Baldavid.
A future Baldavid, a future Johnny, maybe. But too early to tell. 3-point play completed by Jimwell. At ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra all of a sudden is down to 14 from a high of 20. 6 minutes, nearing the 6-minute mark ng ating final quarter.
Pamalayo pa to.
Meneses, he has hardly taken a shot here in the fourth. Now he takes it. Oh, parang inilalagay lamang.
partner, he really is a take charge guy dito for Barangay Ginebra. Ginebra needed the basket.
And he gave it to them.
Yes,
19
deliver na
points.
agad dito si Berhel Meneses.
For the aerial Voyager, lead is back up to 16. Devon Harp losing it to Investiga Dice, the defensive specialist. Hello, sabi ni Ives.
Wala lang naman natin ito si Devon Harp. Hindi naman titira ng jump shot yan. So he's coming from the outside and he wants to score. He'll have to come close. Kanya yun naman ang ginawa ni Ives Igodiza. He just stole the ball away from him.
Ito si David, 6 seconds na. Agawan na naman ni Torion. Another steal by Jimwell. Tora. Torion Minigayo. Fancy pass there. He had an easy access to the lane, to the basket. Pero hindi niya tinira.
Ang bilis nitong bata na to.
Sising-sisi siya, oh.
Whoa! What a player!
Watch it again. Aagawan niya si Bal David dito sa crossover move ni Bal.
Dapat 3 beses na yan na naagawan si Bal David ni Jimwell Torion.
Red Bull mga kaibigan, pumapalag pa rin bagamat ang oras pababa na po at 16 pa rin ang abante ng Barangay Ginebra. And that's the kind of attitude that I'm sure Yang Giao and the rest of the management would like to have. Another steal by Torion. Flash David. Binigay kay Corby. There's a foul and a basket. Here we go. That is the 4th steal of Jimwell Torion laban kay Bal David.
Alam mo partner, ang nasa isip ni Bal David, baka manakaw na naman siya. That's why he's so, parang nawawala na ang kanyang game mind, no? Yung kanyang mindset. Ito, panoorin na naman natin itong swipe coming from Jimwell Torion.
Parang napag-aralan ni Torion na ito si Bal David, madalas inaangat yung bola sa ibabaw ng kanyang ulo. And every time the swipe is made, that is where it comes from. In the meantime, Raimundo completes the 3-point play and the lead is down to 13 here. Still a sizable lead here, pero hindi gumigive up itong batang Red Bull.
Ito na naman,
Takot
si
na
Bal David.
takot
Yes.
na si Bal mag-dribble ngayon, no? Nakikita mo eh. He will pass off. Meneses, binigay kay Elmer Lago. Inside. Dignadice kicks it out. Near steal. Limpot drops it off. Nice play. Excellent play coming from Barangay Ginebra.
Maganda yung passing play, partner. Unselfish play by Barangay Ginebra. Magandang chemistry pinapakita ng Barangay Ginebra dito sa laro nito.
Aba, muntik naman siya naman ang agawan.
Siya naman ang natawagan ng foul.
Pang-5 na yan ni Bal David.
Alam mo partner, he should not be caught up in an ego battle dito, no? Ito, panurin po natin itong galaw ni June Limpot and dishing off
Dalawang
to Ives
sumalubong eh.
Igdadice. And nobody home, sabi ni Ives Igdadice, sabi niya, bang bang.
Ang kasarapan nito, Kinito, lahat ng bunutin ng Alan Kaidik, nagdi-deliver. Samantala, talking about delivering, aba, Jimwell Torion getting the basket and another foul here. It may be against Bal David and that will be it for him. Yes, and he will foul out. And today, it has been Jimwell Torion's day against the Flash.
Partner, very evident na outplay ni Jimwell Torion. Ito si Flash David. Ito, panurin natin na naman.
11 points for Torion. And look at that one. Just getting away from Bal David. Ang bilis nito si Torion.
Talagang mga kamikaze drive ang napapanood natin ang ginagawa ni Jimwell Torion. And to think that he's just coming off a major accident. Ito si Flash David.
Flash David knows that may araw ka rin, sabi niya. Pero ngayong araw na to, maaaring sa'yo at si Torion. So sobrang excitement. Nabitawan yung bola as it was handed to him. He misses the 3-point play opportunity.
Nagmintis tuloy.
Sayang.
Oo.
They're down by 13. Less than 4 minutes to play. Muntik na naman magawan si Castelo. Pambihira ito si Torion.
Alam mo, partner, first stint for Merwin Castelo on the floor. And he has to take up the cudgels. Ito na naman. Si Elmer Lago napapabayaan ng depensa ng Red Bull. And he connects once more.
That is the 4th faking, going up, that's a foul. And this one will go maybe against Merwin Castelo.
Ang dating galaw nitong Kirby Raimundo sa ilalim, partner. Well, actually, that one was not really underneath the basket, but inside a shaded area. Ang daing niya mga fake moves. And he baited the foul from Barangay Ginebra.
What a thrill today, not only for the crowd, but for these young players to be playing in the opening day. Over 17,000 po ang attendance natin sa Araneta Coliseum. More than capacity.
Alam mo, partner, sa pinapakita ng Batang Red Bull sa game na to, malakas din ang hatak nito sa fans.
Oh, yes.
Because they're showing exciting brand of basketball.
You know, I've seen a streamer here, Batang Red Bull Binyan, Laguna. Aba, talagang this early, they have already drawn a lot of interest and a lot of fans from this basketball crazy country.
Ito, may shooting ito si Kirby Raimundo from 15-foot, from the 15-foot line.
Pero 14 pa rin. Ginebra has weathered the storm time and time again.
May full court press ngayon ng Batang Red Bull.
Double team. Lago nakalusot. 3-on-1. Nilaglag kay Limpot. He goes the reverse. Yes, sir. June Limpot with 24 markers today. And Limpot together with Lago and Meneses have almost outscored Batang Red Bull.
Partner, ang ganda naman ang pasa kanina, no, ni Elmer Lago. He had a choice between Dick Nadice at saka si Limpot. And he realized that there were two post defenders. Ito, panuorin natin. Ang ganda ng pasa niya. Oh. Tinignan niya si Vives Nadice, but all the while, he wanted June Limpot to make that shot.
And missing that one. Rebound picked up by Devon Hart. Naago ni Dignadice pero napulot pa rin. Loose ball picked up by Capasio.
Will not give you the jump shot, but he will try to score all the time from close range.
2 minutes and 10 seconds. And there's a foul given up by Glenn Capasio. Wala pa sa penalty ang Batang Red Bull. Ang Barangay Ginebra already in the penalty.
Itong Batang Red Bull, partner, showing a never say die spirit. Lumalaban sila dito.
And as you said, this just may spawn a great following kung ganyan ang kanilang attitude every game. And obviously, yan ang gustong makita ng management ng Batang Red Bull. Another foul given up by Ato Agustin, pang-apat na yan from the atom bomb. That'll put them in the penalty with their 15th foul now. 12, a minute and 52 remaining.
Maganda yung execution ng fast break nun, partner. It was Devon Hart who actually brought down the ball and made the pass off to Kirby Raimundo.
Ang tanong na lamang dito, kaya pa kaya? 12 ang hinahabol. Game na game itong Batang Red Bull, but Barangay Ginebra is just playing so well today.
Alam mo, partner, we never saw an illegal defense violation in this game.
Yes. Missed shot mula kay Meneses. Loose ball picked up by Torion. Libre si Capasio ahead of the pack, and this will bring down the lead to 10. With a minute 19 remaining. Aba, sabi natin, ubusan na po ng oras dito sa fourth quarter. Barangay Ginebra on top by 10 at may foul na ibinigay si Kirby Raimundo after 5 seconds were chopped off the game clock. You'll never know when your shiny white teeth will get you chosen as the close-up couple of the day. So do you have the fresh breath? Blay pa siya, so buhay pa itong Batang Red Bull.
Good gamble on the part of Batang Red Bull. At they are now on a fouling spree, partner, para matigil yung pagtakbo ng oras. Get Barangay Ginebra to miss from the foul line, tapos babawi naman sila on the other end.
But they've got to do it quickly.
Ito si Torion, well, he certainly knows how to get the job done quickly. Bilis nito. Wings on his feet.
Here's Torion, a minute and 4. They will have to take some bombs from the outside, and the atom bomb, next one. That's a 3-point shot from Ato Agustin, and the lead is down to 8 points.
3-point shot ang hinanap nila, 3-point shot ang nakuha nila.
One steal here could do the difference, or could do the job, pero may foul. However, naitawag laban kay Ato Agustin.
Alam mo, kita natin ang formation ng Barangay Ginebra sa pagtanggap ng bola. No? It's either Elmer Lago or June Limpot. Two good free throw shooters. At si Elmer Lago, he wanted that foul to be given on him para siya naman ang tutungo dun sa 15-foot line.
Elmer Lago has played an excellent ball game today. 17 points para kay Elmer Lago. 4 na 3-point shots. And he made all his points dito in the second half, kung saan nag-break away itong Barangay Ginebra.
Mabibigyan talaga ng pagkakataon ito si Elmer Lago to shine offensively here for Barangay Ginebra because the defense will be more concentrated on Berhel Menezes and June Pot. At si Baldavid, maaasahan naman natin ito si Baldavid to find the open man.
Nice block there, laban kay General Torion.
Castelo, courtesy, giving him that block.